Welcome back, data enthusiasts. After diving into the storage classes of AWS S3, let's pivot to another powerful AWS service, Amazon DynamoDB. Specifically, we'll be breaking down the differences between primary keys and secondary indexes. Understanding these concepts is crucial for optimizing your database performance and query efficiency. First, let's talk about primary keys. In DynamoDB, the primary key uniquely identifies each item in a table, ensuring that no two items can have the same key. There are two types of primary keys in DynamoDB, the simple primary key and the composite primary key. A simple primary key consists of a single attribute, known as the partition key. This key is used to distribute data across partitions for scalability and performance. For example, in a table of user profiles, the user ID could serve as the partition key. On the other hand, a composite primary key comprises two attributes, the partition key and the sort key. This combination allows for more complex queries and data organization. For instance, in a table tracking orders, the customer ID could be the partition key, and the order date could be the sort key, enabling you to retrieve all orders for a specific customer sorted by date. Now let's move on to secondary indexes. Secondary indexes allow you to query data in a table using alternate keys, providing more flexibility in your query patterns. There are two types of secondary indexes: the Global Secondary Index, GSI, and the Local Secondary Index, LSI. A Global Secondary Index, GSI, can be created on any attribute and allows you to query across all partitions. GSIs are highly flexible and can be added to your table at any time. For example, if you want to query your user profiles table by email address instead of user ID, you could create a GSI with email as the partition key. A Local Secondary Index, LSI, on the other hand, is defined at table creation and uses the same partition key as the primary key, but a different sort key. LSIs are useful for querying data within the same partition. For instance, if you want to query your orders table by customer ID and order status, you could create an LSI with order status as the sort key. In summary, primary keys are essential for uniquely identifying items and distributing data across partitions, while secondary indexes provide additional query flexibility. By leveraging both primary keys and secondary indexes, you can optimize your DynamoDB tables for a wide range of use cases. Thanks for joining us on this journey through DynamoDB. If you found this explanation helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more deep dives into AWS services. See you in the next video.